G'day, Janet Beckers with a one-word mindset hack that you can use to reprogram your subconscious for success, to expect abundance and to get what you want. Here we go. If you find yourself saying, I can't afford that, well, you've already decided that no, you're not going to get that thing that you want. Now, change this. This is my challenge to you this week. Replace I can't afford with how can I afford? Can you see the difference here? You are expecting you're going to get what you want. And so now you are proactively thinking about, well, what do I need to do? What needs to happen for that to happen? It may very well be that you're thinking, well, how many sales do I need to make so I will get that? Or whatever it else is that you're going to make happen now, because you're expecting you're going to get what you want and you are going to have abundance. You are going to have success. Okay, go get them, folks.